Hello there, my dear beautiful friends. Today I'm going to be showing you the quickest, easiest and fastest makeup ever. So I already washed my face and moisturized it. So I'm gonna take this Clinique foundation. This is oil-free Stay Matte foundation. My shade is 10 Alabaster, which is cool toned. I'm almost running out of it. It's cool toned and it's like fair to light, mostly fair. Just a little bit of it on the blemish areas. It doesn't irritate at all and it stays on like butter as long as you apply it with your hands. This is why I'm using it as a base for sure, every time. Let's see if I can squeeze some more of it out so that I don't have to use any other foundation on top. Actually, you know what, I think I have too little of it, so I'm gonna go in with whatever is left on my beauty blender of my other foundations. And I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Okay, now that I'm done blending out my foundation, which is very quick, like it's really on the go, I didn't do anything special. I have here my setting powder. This is by Fenty Beauty in the shade 02 Butter with a powder puff. And so I'm gonna take the thing on the powder puff and just set it real quick. Now using Q-tips, I just removed the excess of the inside of my eyes, my eyebrows, my beauty mark and my lips. I'm almost done. Because you never want to have too much of it. Then I'm gonna use this pencil by Cinecittà, which is an Italian brand, as my eyebrow pencil. Then I'm also using these clean spoolies. I got them on Amazon, they're really cheap by the way, to brush my eyebrows, because if you use always the same one, like at the end of your pencil, the foundation accumulates on it and powder, and so your brows, especially if they're blonde, they end up looking yellow because of the foundation, kind of. And if they're really dark, again, the same thing, like the foundation gets stuck in them in general. It's better to avoid having foundation in your eyebrows. And I'm just filling in the empty spots, I guess, and defining the shape of my brows, slightly overlining at the top, just to give them a little bit more, I don't know, make them higher, I guess, because my forehead is large, but also making them more visible because I'm blonde, so my eyebrows are barely visible. Okay, so then I'm gonna take this brush by AL Beauty. This is a nice brush and I have some left over. Actually, there's nothing almost. But yeah, no, actually I'm gonna pick up more. So I'm gonna pick up a dark brown, purple, cool undertone shade and mix in a little bit of a lighter shade. Mix them on my hand first to see what color I get. I'm just gonna go in and create some snatched cheekbones, just very lightly, because I'm only using the powder on the go. See, very lightly. And since I'm just using powder, I can always correct it with my powder puff in a second. So I'm gonna do that, put a little bit in the crease as well. This brush is really large, so it's really easy to just get your whole crease with the brush. Then I'm gonna take this brush by Kiko Milano, it's nice and rounded, and some blush, I guess this one by Too Faced. This is in the shade Candy Clouds, Cotton Candy. It's really nice. It smells divine and I have very little left of it, but I repurchased it. Yeah, there's really very little left of it, so there it is. Okay, great. So I'm gonna put some blush on, I guess. It's just way too little. I might have to pick up some eyeshadow. Okay, nice. So there is the blush, and a little bit of that blush in the crease as well, to give it a little bit more life and blend it in with my face. A little on the center of the nose to shorten your nose a little bit, and a tiny little bit here to make your contouring really seem flawless. And I use the blush to diffuse this contouring. And then just a tiny little bit of bronzer to warm it up, because I went for a too purple of a shade, I feel like. This is by House Labs in the shade Light Level 2. And again a little bit in the crease, a little bit on the nose, and a little bit on the sides of the neck to make it look a little skinnier. This is very, very nice because this bronzer is very, very buildable, so you really cannot go overboard with it. And it's really nice to fix things when you go like very bold with a contouring or stuff, to go over top this blush. It makes it much, much softer then. Then I take the contouring brush again and just again even it out a little bit. And I think that I'm gonna need just a little bit more blush, so I'm gonna pick up, and since I don't want to open the new replacement blush, I'm just gonna pick up this shade. I know it suits me very well, so just a little bit of this shade as blush, or maybe like even a warmer tone, just a little bit in there, so that it looks really like natural. There you go. So, and since this is a shadow, you can just take it and go in your crease immediately. It's wonderful. Now if you want some shimmer on the eyelid, I take this palette by Painted, James Charles. I really love this. And let's see, what do I take here? I'm gonna take with my fingers this shade right here. It's called Finnegan, and I'm gonna just put it all over my eyelid. And my soul is calling for a little bit of gold, so I'm gonna put it in the center right here. The shade is called Gold Coast. Really nice. Really, really nice and really, really shimmery, by the way. Actually, I'm going to extend it all over the lid. And now I'm gonna put some more powder like here, because the shimmer is just too much. I want to make my crease a little more matte. And then I'm gonna take this pinky shade, which is really beautiful, gorgeous, and just go right here with it, right underneath my eyebrow, and kind of highlight with this pinky shade. Now I'm getting a little creative. On the go you can do, I don't know, like whatever you want. And to bring it all together, just a little bit more on the crease, over top. And then you want to take something even more shimmery, like this highlighter by Fenty Beauty. How Many Carats is the shade. It's called the Diamond Bomb. Really nice. This one you can get in Sephora. Yeah, look at the difference. I don't know if you can tell, but this just is diamonds on your eyes. And so then you remove a little bit of those diamonds from your crease, because crease when it shines is just too much. And you take your powder puff and you remove those, again, shimmers off of your under eyes, because it falls off a little bit. What can you do with such sparkle? It just goes everywhere. Now for the lips, I'm gonna keep it very simple, and let's see. So I have this lip stain by Milk. I guess this is nice on the go. See, just to give the lips some color. Then you take a paper towel, you blot it like that, so it just stains, and you wait for it to kind of stain your lips. In the meantime, you can do some mascara. I'll do highlighter right now. I'm gonna take this one by R.E.M. Beauty in the shade Miss Mercury. It suits me very, very well. This brush by Saks Fifth Avenue. And just go here. This one doesn't have any shimmers in it, so it looks like a glow from within. I'm running out of this one as well, but I repurchased it. I just don't want to open it right now. So look at that glow. Oh my god. You're really glowing from within. Put a little bit on the tip of the nose, a little bit here, a little bit at the center of the neck. Oh my god, wow, look at that glow. A tiny bit more blush here. Now I'm gonna do just a little bit of mascara. So I have this one by It Cosmetics, Superhero. It's really, really great because it actually is very lengthening and it's easy to wash off. This is what I love the most about it. I get it from Amazon. It costs like $25 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so I'm gonna curl my lashes and put the mascara on. The trick to instantly dry your eyelashes and make them stay very long and up is to use a hair dryer on a cool, cold/temperature setting and blow dry upwards like that, pointing up. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, great. So now I can apply another layer at the tips to really lengthen them. And then again, I can blow dry. Okay, and so after mascara, I really like to clean up my eyes once again because it really gets, especially in the upper lash line, so it bothers me. So I clean up with my Q-tips. And then usually I go in with a third light layer, which I don't blow dry usually, just a little touch. Okay, now I'm gonna put my lip gloss on. This is by Sephora, glossed in the shade Tan Wild. Okay, you guys, so now that my lips are glossed, everything is done. Now usually I will do it faster because I won't be filming. And I mean, it's already a great makeup, like it's presentable. You could put some like white or like very light shimmery eyeliner pencil in the waterline to make it even like pop even more. You could do much more. You could put more darker matte eyeshadow in the crease. You could do an eyeliner, whatever it is. But on the go, this is the fastest makeup that I could possibly think of, especially because I just literally dipped into some powders, and for foundation I used the leftovers on my sponge with some setting spray. So this is the finished look. I hope you like this video. Please like it, put a like on this video, share it, comment something down below. Your support really helps the growth of my channel and truly warms my heart. And really every comment matters, because I'm a new creator, this is a new channel, so please help me grow it. And subscribe not to miss any of my future video uploads, and watch the ones that are already there. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.